G'day guys, Matt here from AllBrand Caravans. Now we've just had Roz and Dave from Just Brilliant Adventures stop in to get their caravan serviced here at AllBrand. I wanted to catch up with them for a couple of quick questions because they're living the dream, travelling Oz full time with no end date, I believe.
Correct.
Which is pretty awesome. So the age-old question, if you had to pick a favourite spot in Oz, where would it be?
What is yours?
My favourite spot, or my favourite destination was Horizontal Falls, just north of Derby. It was absolutely amazing, and I'd recommend it to anybody to get in there and do it before it closes down, because they're thinking about closing it down.
And my answer would be, it's a bit like your child. You can't have a favourite child, all right? You've got to love them all. Now, the good thing about Australia is it is so different from place to place. I love the colours of the Kimberleys, where Roz was just talking, like we did the Gibb River Road last year. Spectacular. Go down to Tasmania, and Tasmania's chalk and cheese. On one side, you got such, on the west coast, you got such a vast, rough area. On the east coast, your Bay of Fires, St Helens and all that, you have beautiful beachy areas. So they're like two totally different places.
Yep.
However, the food, the fresh air, the water is crystal clear down there. Tasmania is probably one of my favourites. But then you come up here to Queensland with some of the beaches up near Cairns and that. So honestly, I don't have a favourite place.
Too hard.
I have a lot of different places that I like for different reasons. The beaches down in Ningaloo and all that sort of stuff for fishing.
WA.
So yeah, there's just the Barossa Valley and the Hunter Valley for your wines and all that sort of stuff. There's just so many different places, mate. Honestly, I can't answer that.
Righto, the question everyone wants to know, the biggest barra you've ever caught, and where was it?
Well, the barras that I've caught, my biggest was only 62 centimetres, but it was it was pretty cool pulling it in, and at least I've caught one.
We actually got two. So in the same trip, she got a 62 centimetre and a 46. I still have a duck egg. I am yet to catch a barra. I'm the most unluckiest fisherman that there is going. I lived in Darwin for 3 years when I was posted to Robinson Barracks, and I still have not caught a barra in my life.
This wasn't a setup. I wasn't trying to embarrass Dave here.
Roz 2, Dave 0.
If
Well done.
you check our last couple of videos, you'll already know that anyway.
Well done, Roz. And last question, next week, State of Origin. New South Wales and
Go
Queensland.
Blues!
Oh, no.
Seriously? Oh. I'm a Queenslander. I'll always be a Queenslander, and go Queensland.
Go Queensland.
I'll tell you what, if it's anything like game 2, you blokes might as well not show up.
I have to admit, I turned it off halfway through the second half.
See, that's a Queensland question.
We're just sooks, aren't we? Yeah, that's
watch
right.
it to the end. Support your team, whether they're going bad or whether they're going fine, mate.
No, I love it.
Looks like you're a fair weather
Was
supporter.
It should be a good game, big good mixer, because it's 1-1 at the moment. So
Yep.
yeah.
No, it should be a good decider at Sandgate. We're looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. It was a
worries.
pleasure.
Thanks for your
Pleasure
time,
to see
mate.
you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, mate.
Good luck with the travels. Enjoy. Have fun. Get out there and
mate.
see more of this great country that we've got here.
Definitely.
And go the Blues.
Go Queensland.
Queenslander!